Hi you guys, thank you for visiting Mommy is My Favorite Cook, where we make healthy recipes that your family will actually eat. Today is a Saturday and I've been working all day on my blog and I'm super tired, so I'm gonna show you guys a really easy fajita recipe that you can throw in the oven. Yeah, it's very easy. But before I show you that, go ahead and like this video and subscribe so you never miss another one of my videos. Okay, so I'm just holding the phone. This is just so easy. So as you can see behind me, I have a orange bell pepper. I have half of an onion. And then I have some chicken. This is called chicken tenderloin. This is just, it's upside down. This is just chicken breast. It's called chicken breast tenderloin, and they're already cut into strips. So that's going to make my job that much more easier. All I'm going to do is, I already cut the bell pepper into strips. I'm going to go ahead and cut this onion into strips. That cookie sheet right there is going to get a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to throw all this on there, season it, and show you it right now. Alright, so here we just dumped the chicken into the cookie sheet, got the peppers, got the onions, and then we have to season this. So we have some cumin, just going to throw it on there. It never comes out quickly enough. There we go. About a teaspoon. Then we got some chili powder. Be generous with your chili powder. Some pepper. And some regular iodized salt. All we're going to do is mix this up. There's olive oil in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to get it all nice and seasoned. All right. Make sure the chicken is laying flat on the pan. This is a very big cookie sheet that I have. I'm not even going to cover it with aluminum foil. Get our peppers on there. This is going to feed about 4 people. Let's see. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's 8 pieces of chicken. It will feed 4 to 6 people depending on how many pieces you would like. So I'm just gonna throw this in the oven on 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the finished fajitas. All right, so it's time to take our chicken fajitas out of the oven. Let's see what they look like. All right, so here are our oven roasted fajitas. As you can see, we have onions, orange bell peppers, and the chicken has a really nice sear on it. I'm just going to heat up some tortillas and serve this up. All right, so here we have our whole wheat flour soft taco tortillas. This is Fit and Active brand. 100% whole grains, no cholesterol, good source of fiber. We are just going to take 3 of these because I'm just serving 3 people, and I'm actually going to do this the super easy way. I'm going to plop a tortilla right onto our flame. Now you could use a flat pan for this, but I'm just showing you what I do when I am tired and I'm just not in the mood to really cook, but I'm still putting in some effort. You want to be very careful. You can use a fork for this. I do have a fork on standby, but I'm just showing you how I heat the tortillas on the stove top. Now I don't remember if I've ever done this on an electric stove. If I did have an electric stove and I were the person with one, my advice is to start with very low heat and then go from there. See, it's starting to bubble up. That's how you know it's practically done. Time to flip. Look at that. So I'm just gonna finish these 3 tortillas and then I'm gonna serve these up and show you what it looks like. Be right back. All right, so it's time to serve up my fajita, my oven roasted baked fajita. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Greek yogurt. It's non-fat. This is for me. The rest of my family members will have sour cream. You could use light sour cream. I'm just gonna put it down there. If I had some hot sauce, I would be adding hot sauce over this, but we are out. And then I'm just going to grab, there's one of my dogs barking, some chicken and some of the peppers if I can. Okay, with the hay, let's use our hands. There's another piece of chicken. I think 2 is enough. Now you could top this with some avocados. That would be amazing. Just fold this up. And there we have it. Oven roasted fajitas. Gorgeous. There's one for me. I will get the rest of these. All right, you guys, that was our oven roasted chicken fajita recipe with whole wheat tortillas. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another recipe with me. Good night, you guys. Bye now.